let's move to special objects. The first special object is rectangle. Ito yung button for rectangle. Or you just type there REC, short for rectangle. Tatanungin nyo yung first point. Now, drawing a rectangle is like similar to drawing a line. Okay, so second point, yan ang second point. Or you can be specific. That is at using relative coordinates at 120, 60. So that means 120 on the x direction from your last point and 60 units vertical from your last point. Yan. So this is 120, then 60 yung patas. You can also use polar coordinates at, let's say, 100 with an angle of, let's say, 60 degrees. Okay? So, yung 100 dyan, yung diagonal. So, if you will double-click a line, makikita mo yung properties niya. Yan. You press escape. If you double-click something, lalabas at lalabas yung kanyang properties. Okay? Next, on special objects, we have polygon. This is the button for polygon. Okay? Or you just type POL, short for polygon. First thing is you will enter the number of sides. So let's try triangle. So 3. Next, specify center of polygon. Let's say here. Then, tatanungin niya kung inscribe, encircle, or circumscribe. So, wala tayong circle, but let's just type I. Yan. Okay? Now, same polygon, POL. 3 sides again. So, center. This time, circumscribe naman. Okay. Circumscribe. Yan. Now, let's do a circle. Make 2 circles. Doing the same command. So, polygon. Number of sides, 3. Center of polygon, yung center mismo ng circle. And then, let's try inscribe and see what happens. Okay. Next, again, polygon. Number of sides is 3. This is our center. And circumscribe. Yan. So, ibig sabihin ng circumscribe, yung circle nasa loob ng polygon. Pag inscribe naman, yung circle nasa labas ng polygon. Now, let's try a polygon with 5 sides. Okay? 5 sides. Tapos, center of polygon. Yan. Then, let's say, inscribe. Okay, nasa loob. Yan ang inscribe. Let's make a circle again. This time, POL. 5 sides. And then, center ng circle. Then, circumscribe. Okay. Yan ang circumscribe. And this is separate command. Kung in case you need a calculator, meron din yan si AutoCAD. So you type here QC. QC stands for Quick Calculator. Okay, so 7 divided by 3. Then you press enter. Okay, so that's how to invoke Quick Calculator. Next, let's see what happens. Close. Yan. But, mapapansin nyo yung line, dimension line, nakadikit pa rin sa 4,000 dito sa number. Same thing here. So let's change again. Dimension style. Okay, modify. So here, go to lines. Okay na yan. Now let's go to symbols and arrows. Okay, so dito, piliin natin si, let's say, closed field. Second is also closed field, pero palitan natin yung arrow size. By practice, kung ano yung text height, ganun na rin yung arrow size ko. So let's say 175. And then click OK. Yan, see? Halos similar na yung arrow size tsaka yung text height. So let's go back to modify. Tapos dito tayo sa text. Ano pa ba ang kulang? Let's go to text. Offset from dimension line. Ito yun. So let's see what happens kung gagawin natin yan na 200. Okay, gawin natin yung 200. Ayun, see? Lumalayo. So gawin natin siyang, let's say, 25 lang para hindi masyadong dikit. Then just click anywhere here and then click OK. Then close. O, see? Nagkaroon na ng konting space. So, mukhang okay na si dimensions. Palitan ko pa siya. Modify. Let's go back to text. Ayoko kasi ng font. Let's say, ang gusto kong font ay Arial. Okay? So, Arial. Yan. Then, press apply. Then, close. Then, okay. Close. Yan. Now, let's try again. Delete natin yan. Try natin. So, dimension, linear. Click. Pwede din sa midpoint, 1750. Click midpoint to end. Click. So, that is 2,000. Okay? Pwede mo ring i-adjust. Just click there. Yan. See? You can adjust anything. Pwede mo ring ilipat dito. Yan. Next. How about aligned dimension? Ito. Notice na itong linear dimension, it only measures vertical and horizontal. Okay, so an example, kung ito ang i-measure natin from this point going to the other point in diagonal direction, ang kanyang direction ay susukatin niya vertical or yung horizontal. Okay? Pero kung i-click mo yan, papakita niya yung kung saan ka nag-measure. So, kung susukatin mo yung hypotenuse niyan or diagonal, ang gagamitin mo is align dimension. Ito. Okay, so align dimension, you click. Then, yan. Tapos, yun. So, that is 5,315 millimeters. Pwede dito, pwede dyan sa baba. So, that is align dimension. Next dimension is arc length. Okay? So, nasan ba yung arc natin? Ayun, yung arc ng door. Yan, see? So, that is arc length. Another dimension na ginagamit ko, by the way, itong arc length, hindi ko na ginagamit yan. Paminsan-minsan, ginagamit ko yung angular dimension. Okay? So, yan. From here, going there. That is 90 degrees. So, let's say, gumawa tayo ng line. Off ko yung ortho. Now, let's do or measure the angle. So, click mo lang yan. Click mo rin to. you have 46 degrees. Pwede mo ring i-adjust yung decimal place ng degrees. So, go here. Palitan mo si modify. Then, go to primary units. Palitan mo si precision ng angular dimensions. Gawin mo precision 2 decimal places. Okay. Close. So, nagkaroon ng decimal place. Pero yung vertical ay ang aligned tsaka linear dimension, hindi siya nalagyan ng decimal. Another application for dimensioning, let's say, meron na tayong nagawang floor plan. Okay, so gagawa tayo ng isang linear dimension. So, click mo yan. Click mo dito. Tapos, ganyan. So, natatandaan ngayon ni AutoCAD kung saan ka huling nag-dimension. Now, let's try continue. Yan. So, i-click mo lang yan. Automatic siyang gagawing start point yung last point ng dimension mo. So, click mo lang yan. Tapos, yan. Then, i-press escape. Next, dito naman tayo sa horizontal dimension. Pababa. Pwedeng ganyan. Tapos, i-click mo ulit si continue. Ito. Click. Ay, sorry. Okay, so, click natin si continue dimension. Yan. Ganyan lang. And then another application ng ating lecture sa draw tools is yung circle. So let's type C. Remember, C is short for circle. So gawa tayo ng circle dito. Yan. With a radius of, let's say, 200. Okay. Tapos, lagyan natin na, move lang natin yan. Okay, mag-o-ortho ako. Ganyan. Tapos, M-text or you just click this. Okay, tapos, ay ano ba yan? Sorry. Escape. Let's type M-text. M-T-E-X-T. Yan. Ganyan lang, no? Palitan natin siya ng middle center. Tapos, let's say, grid number 5. Then, i-press OK. Tapos, i-move natin ngayon. Since middle center, you just have to move that. Okay, click mo lang siya sa kanyang pick point. Ngayon, dalhin mo siya sa center ng circle. Make sure na naka snap node ka. Snap ka sa center. Okay. Next, pwede mo nang i-copy ito ngayon. Copy. Then, paste. Paste. Pwede mo na rin i-double click yung mga numbers. Palitan mo na siya ng 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, so forth and so on. Then, don't forget to save your work. So, pwede na tayong gumawa ng ating floor plan. Pwede na tayong gumawa ng doors. Pwede na tayong gumawa ng dimensions. Tsaka grid lines. Thank you and have a good AutoCAD working.